are driven by the finer things. I see more than materials and wealth. What have you got to give to me? What I don't already give myself. You are driven by
The MATHS DiiSCLAIMER, Sydney here. Just having this inspiration just to bring out as much episodes as I can in the short space of time that I have here. If you are not aware, like and subscribe. And also, if you're not aware, I am a maths tutor. I've got currently, probably got four different classes with different varying needs. And I also do additional work as well as a maths tutor. So yeah, I have learned over the last year and a half just specific skills which not only help me find faster ways to understand maths, but also help my students to get to better outcomes, which is the most important thing, to be honest with you, because there's no point of me leveling up if the people that are around me are not leveling up. If I don't level up the people around me, then they're going to be asking for things. But if I level up people around me, then they'll be helping other people and getting things done themselves. So today I am talking about 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication. So 224 times 106. Okay? You probably look at that, you just think, raw, let me just pull out the calculator. Stop. Don't pull out a calculator unless you've done the hard work first. Yeah? This is not just multiplication. This is how to get critical thought. This is how to deal with stuff. Children in particular are getting taught a lot of these things at a faster pace. So you can inspire the youth and teach them more if you do these tactics. So only use your calculator once you've done the work, okay? Firstly, we start with our units, yeah? We start with this unit at the bottom, okay? So 6 times 4 is 24, okay? So I'm gonna write here, unit times unit, okay? Number 2, we get a bottom unit and we times it by the top, 10th. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14, we carry the 1. Bottom unit times top 10. Okay, number 3. Oh, bless me, that was taking ages. I was like, come on, just get out me, sneeze. Alright, 6 times 2 is 12, plus this 1 is 3. We carry the 1. We don't carry the 1 actually, because we are done with the line. We're done with the top, yeah? So what we will do is bottom unit times top 100. Number 4, respect the 0. Respect the 0. Okay, now remember, this 0 means that you're done with the units, because this is not technically, well, we can't do this one, but we are done with the units. Now we're looking at the tens, so we need to show that we're done with the units. There's no units, okay? Now 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 2, 0. So what I basically did was I used the bottom 10 times top unit. I used the bottom 10 times top 10. And then I used bottom 10 times top 100. Okay? That's your 7th step. Now, because everything times by 0 is 0, 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 2, 0. We cross it off. Now, we have to respect the 0 again. Okay? Now, we'll do that by putting 2 zeros there. Okay? Now, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. What I did was I got the 100, 100 times 4, 100 times 2, 100 times 2, and that's how I represented it in this form. So add all these three numbers up. 4, 4, 7, 3, 2. 23,744 if you get 224 times by 106. Okay, now I've realized that I haven't got much space, so I'm going to make this a bit more streamlined so it makes sense, okay? So, number 1. Bottom unit times top unit. Number 2. Bottom unit times top 10. Number 3. Bottom unit times top 100. 4. Respect the 0. Yeah? Actually, I'll write just the number 0. Cool? Number 5. Bottom 10 times top unit. Number 6. Bottom 10 times top 10. 7. Bottom 10 times top 100. Number 8. A lot of steps, Don't worry, screenshot this. I'll say screenshot this when I'm done. Hopefully you can just look through it. I'm going to go through 4 more examples in this episode. So just keep on looking and repeating it until it makes sense. So respect the zeros. Now this 0 basically means you're moved from units to tens. These 2 zeros basically mean that you move from tens to hundreds. So keep on layering it accordingly when you start a new line. Just add a 0 for every new line you go to, okay? Number 9, bottom 100 times top unit. Bottom 100 times top 10. 11, bottom times top 100. And then number 12 is add up numbers. Okay, 12 simple steps to get 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication. Okay, so let's try this out. 214 times 432. First step, bottom unit times top unit. 2 times 4, 8. Number 2, bottom unit times top 10. 2 times 1, 2. Bottom unit times top 100. 2 times 2 is 4. First line done. Step 4, respect the 0. Step 5, bottom 10 times top unit. 3 times 4 is 12, carry a 1. Bottom 10 times top 10 is step 6. 3 times 1 is 3, plus this 1 is 4. Number 7, bottom 10 times top 100. 3 times 2, sorry, oh my gosh. Yeah, 3 times 2 is 6, sorry. Boom. Second line, done. Respect the 2 zeros, boom, boom. Okay, bottom 100 times top unit. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus this 1 is 5. And 4 times 2 is 8. And that goes like that. Now, add up the numbers. 8, 4, 14, carry the 1, 6 times 11, 12, 1. 92,448. Okay? And just make sure you go through everything. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, carry the 0, 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, carry the 2 zeros, 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1, 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1 is 5, 4 times 2 is 8, add them together, Boom. Yeah? I talk fast and it might look daunting at first, but keep on replaying it. Just remember these 12 simple steps, and you can put any number into here and you'll get results. Alright, there's 3 more. So 515 times 276, yeah? Bottom unit times top unit, 6 times 5, 30, carry the 3. Bottom unit times top 10, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. The bottom unit times top 100, 6 times 5 is 30. Because it's the end of the line, you don't carry anything, you just put the 30 there. Respect the 0. Number 4. Number 5, bottom 10 times top unit, 7 times 5 is 35. Bottom 10 times top 10 is 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 0, so then carry the 1. Then bottom 10 times top 100, 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. Make sure you line them up evenly, otherwise you're going to get disastrous results. Oh, what did I say before? You're going to get into a spot of bother. Respect the 2 zeros. Boom, boom. We're not in units no more. We're not in tens. We're in the big leagues now. We're in the hundreds. Bottom 100 times top unit. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. Bottom 100 times top 100. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is the 3. Bottom 100 times top 100. 2 times 5 is 10. Boom, boom. Okay. Now, add up. 0, 14, carry the 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1, 6, 9, 12, carry the 1, 3, 0, 4, 142, 140, 515 times 276 is 142, 140. Okay, 2 more examples. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, 568 times 7, 3, 3. 8 times 3, 24, carry the 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 0, carry the 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 7. And that, 24, 18, 20, 25. Yep, that's right. That's the first done. Okay? Carry, respect the 0, bottom 10 times top unit. 8 times 3 is 24. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 7. So that's your next line done. Respect the 2 zeros. 7 times 8 is 56. Put that there, carry the 5. 7 times 6 is 42, plus this 5 is 47. 7 times 5 is 35, plus this 4 is 39. Okay, now add them together. That's 4, that's 4, that's 13, carry the 1, 14, 15, carry the 1, 0, carry the 1, 405,344. If you times 568, 733. Just remember this. Remember these 12 simple rules of success when it comes to 3-digit times 3-digit multiplication. What did you say? Why do we need to learn all this, Sydney? Because it's not about only the maths, it's about critical thinking. I'm not here just saying, oh yeah, do this because you'll never do it again. Do this and learn from it. How can you use this to implement your life in a better way? Final one. Yep, and obviously in typical Sydney fashion, we're gonna make it hard, yeah? Should we make it hard? 989 times 876. Yeah, we get the 9 times table, the 8 times table, the 7 times table, the 6 times table. Hey, 9 times 6 is 54. Boom. Bam. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 5 is 53. Carry the 5. 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 5 is 9. 59. First line, 5, 9, 3, 4. Respect the 0. Now we start from the bottom 10. 7 times 9 is 63. Carry the 6. 7 times 8 is 50. Oh my gosh. Yeah, wait. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 6 is 62. As you can tell, I'm quite hungry. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 6 is 9, 69. Second line over. Respect to 0, 0. Boom, boom. Now we're in the bottom 100. 9 times 8 is 72. Boom, boom. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 7 is 71. Boom, put that there. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 7 is 79. Put a line there. 4, 6. 3 carry the 1. 10, 15, 16. 6 times 9. 6 plus 9 is 15, sorry. 16, carry the 1. 866,364. Imagine waking up and seeing that in your bank account, hey? Yes, so 989 times 876 is 866,364. You follow these 12 methods and do 5, 10 examples, and you can teach 3 times tables for 3 digits times tables by 3-digit times tables. How amazing is that? And I anticipate this has been just over 10 minutes. If so, we've learned a lot of multiplication in 10 minutes. This has been a brand new episode of Maths Disclaimer. Thank you so much for listening. Please like, share, subscribe, and actually share to other people. Let's make the world more of a mathematical place. Let's just make sure everybody gets the education and the numerical value of just numbers, just so we can understand more and apply more critical thoughts to our lives. Until the next episode, thank you so much, and keep on finding brand new inventive ways to make maths fun. Take care.